Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to increase money transfer limit in HDFC NetBanking. Firstly, visit the HDFC Bank online portal and log in with your customer ID and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Funds Transfer tab on the dashboard. Under the Request section, select Modify TPT Limit. TPT stands for Transfer Payment Type. Click on Increase or Decrease to set the preferred NEFT limit for the options in the drop-down. Enter the required card details to confirm the changes. A one-time password will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP to complete the process. Once you've followed all these steps, your NEFT limit should be updated accordingly. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.